We'll talk about the best LED grow lights in this video. When it comes to growing plants, lighting is critical. Keeping your plants alive might be difficult, but growing them inside is much more difficult. Because some homes are gloomy, they aren't great for growing plants. Here's when LED grow lights come in handy. The GEBR30 is our recommendation for the finest overall grow light. This balanced spectrum bulb provides high-quality illumination that promotes the growth of houseplants, indoor gardens, cactus, and flowers throughout the year. It gives gentle, natural illumination and warmth, unlike some other grow lamps that create harsh brightness. Its balanced light spectrum is ideal for seeds and greens, allowing you to produce herbs, lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, and other crops in the comfort of your own home. While our tester was first unimpressed by this option, it looked just like a conventional light bulb and she wasn't sure whether it would work. She quickly discovered that it worked well on her sun-loving yucca plant. In every category, she gave it a 5 out of 5. You won't need to buy a new light since it fits into any regular one. You can't go wrong with the Soltech Solutions Grow Light if you want a long-lasting, visually beautiful, and highly effective alternative. This LED grow bulb offers a very accurate photosynthetic spectrum but also brightens your room with pleasant white ambient light, explains Erin Marino, editorial lead at the Sill. It may also be screwed into any regular light fixture, she adds. While this grow light is one of the more costly alternatives on the list, we found it to be well worth the money. The light lasts 15 years when used for an average of 16 hours each day, significantly longer than cheaper alternatives. It comes with a 15-foot fabric cable, an LED light, 3 ceiling hooks, 2 wall fair leads, and a swag hook, as well as an LED bulb. To match your area and demands, select from 2 sizes and 2 colors, 5.8 by 3.8 inches with 2000 lumens or 7 by 4 inches with 4000 lumens. Our tester noted remarkable growth after 3 weeks of using the smaller, 20-watt light on her aloe plant. It also provided natural-looking light to her environment, thereby serving as a beautiful overhead light, design score of 5/5. One thing to keep in mind is that installation might be challenging. We awarded it a 3 out of 5 rating. Our tester had to enlist her husband's assistance, and it still took an hour. The Aceple Desk Plant Grow Light is a fantastic product that generates great results if you're on a budget. This grow lamp combines 2 light colors. Red emits 660 nanometers, which is great for flowers and fruits, and blue emits 460 nanometers, which aids photosynthesis. It has the appearance and size of a reading lamp, with a huge clip and a flexible gooseneck arm, yet it provides all the power your plants need. Our tester discovered that this lamp provided more than enough light for many little plants after using it for 2 weeks in both her home and a greenhouse. It's a terrific alternative for families with a few plants that need light on an as-needed basis since it's simple to put up and tiny enough to fold up and keep in a drawer. However, there were a couple design flaws. The gooseneck arm was too short, and the light lacked a timer. Overall, this is a terrific cheap selection that can be used for a number of purposes. The Roleadro LED Grow Light is the greatest full-spectrum alternative. Indoor plants benefit from the brand's patented spectrum, which includes wavelengths ranging from 460 to 465 nanometers, 620 to 740 nanometers, and a 6000 to 6500 K waveband. This encourages development and enables even the most fragile tropical plants and flowers to flourish and blossom all year. In the winter, spring, summer, and autumn, you may cultivate seasonal vegetables and herbs. Even on the highest setting, this 75-watt grow light incorporates an aluminum cooling plate to efficiently disperse heat. It comes with hanging brackets that can be hung almost anywhere in your house, making it an excellent choice if you have a lot of plants to cover. Our tester discovered that this panel is perfect for seedlings after using it in a variety of growth scenarios, including potted succulents and seed trays. It was the ideal size for a seed tray and offered an uniform distribution of light, giving it a perfect 5/5 in terms of efficacy and brightness. The panel, on the other hand, received a 3/5 for setup and instructions. We found it tough to put up the hanging aspect since you need to have hooks on hand. Are you looking for a desk planter? If that's the case, we believe you'll like the AeroGarden Harvest Elite. The high-performance 20-watt LED light emits full-spectrum rays that may be used to cultivate a variety of herbs and vegetables. Mint, basil, parsley, thyme, rosemary, sage, and dill are among the herbs used. It nearly seems like a high-end countertop kitchen appliance, with its sleek design and LCD control screen. Harvest Elite is available in light green, white, black, or stainless steel. It's the ideal size for a desk garden, measuring 11 by 4.61 by 15 inches. 6 different plant seeds are included in the box, and since they grow in water, you can get started right away. Our tester discovered that growing herbs in this kit was quicker and simpler than growing herbs outdoors after using it for almost a month. She had mixed thoughts about the stainless steel finish, which blended in well with her kitchen but seemed clinical in other areas. As a consequence, 1 point was deducted for design. Are you looking for a mountable item? The Feit electric dual grow tube light is your best option. This grow light is portable, long-lasting, and simple to set up. It comes completely built and ready to hang or mount flat to your ceiling or walls. This device is designed to replicate natural sunshine and may be used as a substitute for typical greenhouse lights. It emits blue light at 450 nanometers and red light at 655 nanometers, a combination that promotes plant growth. It also emits little heat, which avoids burned leaves and lowers your power bill. TorchStar is the finest source for herbs. The LED plant kit delivers both the proper illumination and a container for growing herbs inside, thanks to full-spectrum sun simulation. It lights for 16 hours during the day and then goes off for 8 hours at night, simulating natural sunshine. This herb grow lamp is ideal for use on a windowsill, desk, kitchen counter, mantle, dresser, or side table. It also features a clean, basic design that doesn't detract from your herbs. The iPower LED grow light comes with 2 flexible gooseneck arms and 2 light heads, but the lamp's rotating necks aren't the only item that can be adjusted. It includes 11 dimmable settings and 3 light modes, red, blue, and a red-blue combination. For a 24-hour cycle, you may configure the smart timer to turn off after a specified number of hours and then turn on at the same time the following day. This grow light, like the CF grow lamp, comes with a huge mounting clip that you may use to attach it to a desk, table, shelf, or any other slender ledge. It connects into normal outlets and comes with a USB cord. It also comes in 3 different wattage levels, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your requirements.